Welcome to the Galapagos Islands, a remote archipelago teeming with unique wildlife and geological wonders. Straddling the equator west of continental Ecuador, these islands are a testament to the powerful forces of nature, both above and below the sea. Let's dive into some fascinating facts about this incredible place, a cradle of evolution and a sanctuary for some of the world's most extraordinary creatures. And the Galapagos Islands, a volcanic archipelago, rise from the depths of the Pacific Ocean 1,000 kilometers from the shores of Ecuador. This remote scattering of islands, bathed in the warmth of the equatorial sun, is a world apart. Each island, sculpted by volcanic fire and the relentless forces of erosion, possesses its own unique character. These islands, seemingly adrift in a vast ocean, are a living laboratory of evolution. It is here, amidst the stark beauty of volcanic landscapes and the turquoise embrace of the Pacific, that life has taken on remarkable forms. The isolation of the islands, coupled with the challenges posed by their volcanic origins, has driven the evolution of unique species. The Galapagos are home to creatures found nowhere else on Earth, giants of the tortoise world, lumbering through ancient forests, marine iguanas basking on sun-drenched rocks, and penguins diving in tropical waters. The story of the Galapagos is a tale of isolation, adaptation, and the extraordinary diversity of life. It's a story written in the very rocks themselves and etched into the genetic makeup of its inhabitants. Join me now as we delve deeper into the wonders of this extraordinary archipelago, exploring its fiery origins, its unique inhabitants, and the legacy of scientific discovery that forever intertwines the Galapagos with our understanding of the natural world. The Galapagos Islands, far from being static landmasses, are a dynamic testament to the Earth's fiery heart. They owe their existence to a phenomenon known as a hotspot, a plume of molten rock that rises from deep within the Earth's mantle. Imagine, if you will, the ocean floor, cloaked in darkness, riven by a deep fissure. Molten rock, forced upwards by unimaginable pressure, erupts through this fissure, creating underwater volcanoes. Over millennia, these eruptions build upon each other, layer upon layer of solidified lava, slowly rising from the seabed until they breach the surface. The birth of a Galapagos island is a violent and spectacular affair, a fiery dance of molten lava and incandescent ash. Yet from this crucible of creation, life itself will eventually find a foothold. The very rocks themselves tell a story of constant change. Flows of solidified lava, twisted and contorted into bizarre shapes, speak of past eruptions. Volcanic cones, some still active, rise above the landscape, a reminder of the forces that shaped this archipelago. The Galapagos Islands, born of fire and sculpted by time, stand as a testament to the dynamic forces that continue to shape our planet. The Galapagos Islands, while geographically isolated, are far from alone in their fiery origins. They are situated on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a zone of intense seismic and volcanic activity that encircles the Pacific Ocean. This ring of fire, stretching for over 40,000 kilometers, is a testament to the constant movement of the Earth's tectonic plates. These plates, vast slabs of the Earth's crust, are in perpetual motion, colliding, grinding against each other and pulling apart. Where these plates meet, the Earth's crust is at its most unstable. Molten rock from the mantle can break through, creating volcanoes and fueling earthquakes. The Pacific Ring of Fire is home to the majority of the world's active volcanoes and experiences the most frequent and powerful earthquakes. The Galapagos Islands, perched atop this restless region, are a product of this ongoing geological drama. Their volcanic origins are a constant reminder of the powerful forces that shape our planet, forces that both create and destroy. The very existence of the Galapagos, with all its unique life forms, is a testament to the interplay between these destructive forces and the resilience of life itself. The Galapagos Islands, with their unique flora and fauna, played a pivotal role in shaping one of the most important scientific theories in human history, Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection. In 1835, a young Charles Darwin, aboard the HMS Beagle, set foot on the Galapagos Islands. He was struck by the diversity of life on these islands, particularly the variety of finches, each species uniquely adapted to its specific environment. Darwin observed that the finches, while clearly related, possessed different beak shapes and sizes, each adapted to the particular food sources available on their respective islands. Finches on islands with an abundance of seeds had thick, powerful beaks for cracking them open, while those on islands with more insects had slender beaks for probing. These observations sparked a revolutionary thought in Darwin's mind. Could it be that these finches, isolated on different islands, had evolved over time to better suit their environments? Could this be the driving force behind the diversity of life on Earth? The Galapagos finches, along with other unique species like the giant tortoises and marine iguanas, provided Darwin with crucial evidence for his groundbreaking theory. The Galapagos Islands, once a place of mystery, became a living laboratory for the study of evolution. Recognizing the extraordinary biological and geological significance of the Galapagos Islands, the Ecuadorian government took a bold step in 1959, declaring the archipelago a national park. This designation, encompassing 97% of the island's land area, marked the beginning of a commitment to conservation. In 1986, the Galapagos Marine Reserve was established, extending protection to the surrounding waters. This reserve, covering an area of 133,000 square kilometers, is one of the largest marine protected areas in the world. These protected areas together form a sanctuary for the unique flora and fauna of the Galapagos. They serve as a model for conservation efforts worldwide, demonstrating the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity for future generations. Strict regulations are in place to minimize human impact on the islands. Tourism, while encouraged, is carefully managed, with designated visitor sites and trained guides. Research and conservation projects are ongoing, constantly striving to better understand and protect this fragile ecosystem. The Galapagos Islands, once threatened by human activities, are now a beacon of hope for conservation. They stand as a testament to the power of human commitment and the importance of safeguarding our planet's natural wonders. Among the many remarkable creatures that call the Galapagos Islands home, the Galapagos giant tortoise stands out as a true icon. These gentle giants, lumbering across the volcanic landscapes, are among the longest living vertebrates on Earth, with some individuals reaching over 100 years old. Imagine encountering these prehistoric-looking creatures in the wild. Their massive domed shells, often exceeding a meter in length, seem like ancient artifacts, relics of a bygone era. Their wrinkled necks and leathery skin tell a story of time and resilience. Giant tortoises were once abundant throughout the Galapagos, but their numbers were decimated in the 18th and 19th centuries by pirates and whalers who hunted them for their meat and oil. Today, thanks to conservation efforts, their populations are slowly recovering. Each island in the Galapagos is home to a distinct subspecies of giant tortoise, each with its own unique shell shape and adaptations to its environment. Some have saddleback shells, allowing them to reach higher vegetation, while others have dome-shaped shells suited for grazing on lower-lying plants. The Galapagos giant tortoise, a symbol of the archipelago's unique biodiversity, serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of conservation and the interconnectedness of all living things. One might not expect to find penguins in the tropics, yet the Galapagos Islands are home to the only penguin species that ventures north of the equator, the aptly named Galapagos penguin. These diminutive penguins, the second smallest penguin species in the world, are a delight to behold. Their black and white plumage stands out against the volcanic backdrop, and their waddling gait on land is both endearing and comical. The Galapagos penguins have adapted to the warm climate, often seeking shade during the hottest part of the day and taking refreshing dips in the cool ocean currents that bathe the islands. They're often seen swimming and diving in the surf. Their agility in the water a stark contrast to their clumsiness on land. These penguins feed primarily on small fish and crustaceans, which they catch with lightning-fast dives. Their ability to regulate their body temperature in the warm Galapagos waters is a testament to their adaptability. The Galapagos penguin, a symbol of the island's unique biodiversity and the adaptability of life, reminds us that nature is full of surprises. and that life finds a way to thrive even in the most unexpected of places. The Galapagos Islands are home to a truly remarkable bird, a creature that seems to defy the very essence of avian life, the flightless cormorant. This unique bird, found nowhere else on Earth, has traded the freedom of flight for a life spent diving and foraging in the rich waters surrounding the islands. Imagine encountering this unusual bird for the first time. Its wings, small and stubby, are useless for flight, but its powerful legs and webbed feet propel it effortlessly through the water. Its long neck and hooked beak are perfectly adapted for snatching fish and other marine prey. The flightless cormorant's inability to fly is thought to be an adaptation to its environment. With no natural predators on land and an abundance of food in the surrounding waters, the need for flight became less important over evolutionary time. These birds are highly social, often congregating in large colonies on rocky shores. Their courtship displays are a sight to behold, involving elaborate bowing and neck-stretching rituals. The flightless cormorant, an avian oddity and a testament to the power of adaptation, reminds us that evolution takes many paths and that sometimes giving up one ability can lead to unexpected advantages in another. The Galapagos Islands are home to a cast of characters that seem straight out of a children's storybook, and among these the blue-footed booby stands out as a particular favourite. These comical birds, with their bright blue feet and clumsy yet endearing antics, are a constant source of amusement for visitors. Imagine watching a blue-footed booby courtship display. The male, with his bright blue feet on full display, performs a high-stepping dance, lifting his feet high in the air and whistling loudly to attract a mate. The brighter the blue, the more attractive the male is to females. These birds are highly skilled divers, plunging into the ocean from great heights to catch fish. Their blue feet, a product of their diet, are a symbol of their health and vitality. Blue-footed boobies are highly social birds, often nesting in large colonies on flat, open ground. Their nests are simple scrapes in the ground, and both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the young. The blue-footed booby, with its comical appearance and endearing behavior, is a reminder that nature is full of joy and wonder, and that even the most unusual creatures can capture our hearts. Beneath the surface of the waves, a different world unfolds in the Galapagos Islands. Here, in the cool, nutrient-rich waters, thrives a vibrant marine ecosystem teeming with life. And at the heart of this underwater realm reigns a creature both feared and revered, the shark. The Galapagos Islands harbour the largest biomass of sharks found anywhere in the world. Over 30 different species of sharks patrol these waters, from the iconic hammerhead shark, with its distinctive head shape, to the majestic whale shark, the largest fish in the sea. These apex predators, far from being mindless killing machines, play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem. They keep populations of other fish in check, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the health of coral reefs and other marine habitats. The Galapagos Marine Reserve, established in 1986, provides a sanctuary for these magnificent creatures. Strict fishing regulations and anti-poaching patrols help protect sharks from overfishing and habitat destruction. The abundance of sharks in the Galapagos is a testament to the health of this marine ecosystem and the success of conservation efforts. It serves as a beacon of hope for the future of our oceans, reminding us that with careful management and protection, even the most vulnerable species can thrive. And there you have it. 10 fascinating facts about the Galapagos Islands. From their fiery volcanic origins to the unique creatures that call them home, the Galapagos Islands are a testament to the power of nature and the importance of conservation. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or a curious traveler, the Galapagos offers endless wonders to explore. Remember, the future of this unique ecosystem rests in our hands. By supporting conservation efforts and promoting responsible tourism, we can ensure that the Galapagos Islands continue to inspire and amaze generations to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget